हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मी मुकुंदा माळी सर BFC इंग्लिश या आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपलं स्वागत आहे. मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरच्या माध्यमातून आपण इयत्ता 10वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 3.3 स्टॉपिंग बाय वूड्स ऑन अ स्नोवी इव्हिनिंग या पोएमचे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत. त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा. Welcome back. English workshop. Question number 1. Put right mark in front of true statement or wrong mark in front of false statement. A. The speaker stops to watch rain falling among the trees. Wrong statement. B. The owner of the woods is known to the speaker. Right statement. C. The horse is worried about the cold and wants to keep going. Wrong statement. D. The speaker doesn't emphasize upon the beauty of woods he is passing through. Wrong statement. Question number 2. Find out line or lines from the poem as a proof for the following explanation. पुढील स्पष्टीकरणासाठी पुरावा म्हणून कवितेमधून ओळी शोधून लिहा. A. There is no one to catch the speaker trespassing. Answer. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. B. The little horse draws his master's attention. Answer. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. C. His horse seems anxious to keep going. Answer. My little horse must think it cure to stop without a farmhouse near. D. The speaker prefers to stay but is forced to move onwards. Answer. But I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. E. The poem is set in bygone era. Answer. He gives his harmless bells a shake. Shows that the poem is set in the bygone era. Question number 3. The poem is believed to have a reference to the poet's life itself. What could the following signify? Choose from the bracket below. Duties and responsibilities, old age, life, death, everlasting peace. A. The speaker's journey, life. B. Snowy evening, old age. C. Lovely deep dark woods, everlasting peace. D. Promises, duties and responsibilities. E. Sleep, death. Question number 4. Tell whether the rhyme scheme of the following stanzas is right or wrong. For the wrong rhyme scheme, give the correct one. A. Stanza 1. A B A. Right. B. Stanza 2. B C B. Wrong. It is A B A. C. Stanza 3. C D C. Wrong. It is A B A. D. Stanza 4. D E D. Wrong. It is A. Question number 5. Give your own rhyming words for the following. A. House, mouse. B. Woods, goods. C. Easy, busy. D. Wind, rind. E. Dark, bark. F. Watch, notch. Question number 6. Match the lines of the poem with their figures of speech. या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला कवितेतील ओळी दिलेल्या आहेत. ग्रुप ए मध्ये व ग्रुप बी मध्ये फिगर ऑफ स्पीचची नावं आहेत. यांच्या जोड्या आपल्याला जुळवायच्या आहेत. आन्सर. हुज वूड्स these are I think I know. C. Inversion. Second, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. A. Alliteration. Third, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. D, repetition. Fourth, my little horse must think it cure. B, personification. Question number 7, match the words given in group A with their meanings in group B. या प्रश्नामध्ये ए ग्रुपमध्ये काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत व बी ग्रुपमध्ये त्यांचा मीनिंग दिलेला आहे. यांच्या जोड्या आपल्याला जुळवायच्या आहेत. फर्स्ट, मिस्टेक. सी, एरर. सेकंड, डाउनी फ्लॉक्स. ई, सॉफ्ट स्नो फॉलिंग. थर्ड, वुड्स. डी, जंगल. फोर्थ, क्यूअर. ए, स्ट्रेंज. Question number 8, complete the following web diagrams by adding suitable describing words in the boxes. खालील वेब डायग्राम्स आपल्याला पूर्ण करायचे आहेत. योग्य ते वर्णन करणारे शब्द आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत. विंड रिलेटेड वर्ड्स, कोल्ड, हॉट, स्ट्रॉंग, स्ट्रॉमी, बीटिंग. इव्हिनिंग related words, darkest, pleasant, gloomy, last, every. Question number 9, pick out lines from the poem that contain imagery. Write them in your notebook. Answer 1, to watch his woods fill up with snow. 2, between the woods and frozen lake. 3, the darkest evening of the year. 4, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. Question number 10, prepare a set of questions to interview. A person who has just returned from a trek in the woods. या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला जंगलातून प्रवास करून नुकताच परतलेल्या व्यक्तीची मुलाखत घेण्यासाठी प्रश्नांचा संच तयार करायचा आहे. Answer 1, welcome back. How did you feel when you visited the woods? 2, what was the purpose of your visit? 3, did you take any precautions while roaming in the woods? 4, which strange or rare things did you find in the woods? 5, did you come across any wild animals? What was your feeling then? 6, how were you able to get your food, water and other essential things? 7, what difference did you find in the woods and the place where you live? 8, were you able to fulfill your expectations from this visit? 9, what should be your role to conserve the woods? 10, would you like to suggest the youngsters to undertake such expeditions? Why? B, a person who has recently scaled Mount Everest. हल्लीच एव्हरेस्ट शिखर सर केलेल्या व्यक्तीची मुलाखत घेण्यासाठी आपल्याला क्वेश्चन सेट तयार करायचा आहे. आन्सर 1, वेलकम बॅक. व्हॉट प्रिपरेशन्स डिड यू मेक बिफोर द क्लिम? 2, what did you do to stay fit when you were at the base? 3, what did you do to make your climb interesting? 4, what food did you take along with you while climbing? 5, what was the purpose of your adventure? 6, how did you face difficulties on the way to the top? 7, what is the memorable moment of your ascent? 8, what was the hardest adjustment you had to make during the ascent? 9, what were your feelings when you scaled the peak? 10, what message would you give to the youngsters? I hope friends तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.